Welcome to CocoCay. Located in the Bahamas, owned by Royal Caribbean, this is a must-stop on any Royal Caribbean cruise. And we are so excited to finally be checking it out for ourselves. And although the island is actually a lot bigger than it looks, luckily for us, they've got these maps posted everywhere. And today, our plan is to show you guys all the free stuff to do right here on CocoCay. Fun fact, Tyler and I actually have been to CocoCay before, all the way back in 2016. This was the first international destination that we went to together, and it's really crazy to see how much it's changed in 8 years.
It's like totally different. I don't even remember the place.
I have to say though, I'm very happy that they kept the chickens. Stop number 1 is South Beach, which is apparently the best free beach here on CocoCay.
It's a little cold in the morning.
They've got tons of lawn chairs, a stunning beach with beautiful white sand, a very nice sports court, some cabanas, and even a few paid bars spotted throughout the area, including a floating bar out on the water. This is the perfect beach to visit if the north end of the island is a little windy. Plus, they even have these free floating tables out in the water, making it the perfect spot to come hang out and do absolutely nothing. Stop number 2 is the Cove, which is also a free beach. It's a bit more hidden and you kind of have to hike to it, but the water's super calm and this is a perfect spot to go snorkeling.
Stop number 3 today is our nature trail. It's a free hiking trail through the forest, and maybe keep your eye out for some chickens.
Now, if you're traveling with your family or have some young kids in your group, or a Tyler, then CocoCay also has 2 free spots that they can play. The pirate ship at Captain Jill's Galleon and Splashaway Bay have tons of fun sprayers, slides, and climbing areas for the kids or kids at heart. Another great free amenity is the fact that they have trams throughout the entire island. So if you don't feel like walking, you can just grab the tram. We missed it. Next one. We ended up making our way to the chill island side of CocoCay. The areas we started with this morning are a bit on the quieter side. They're more hidden. It's a bit longer of a walk to get to, which is why this side of the island is so much busier. Now, pro tip, if you're coming to CocoCay, make sure to get off the ship early if chairs were completely full by about 10 a.m. Just like South Beach, Chill Island has everything you need to create your perfect day at CocoCay. Beach chairs, cabanas, snorkel gear, and mats for rent, and of course, some nearby places to eat. We ended up making our way to the Chill Grill, which is one of 3 different restaurants that are free to basically every guest here on CocoCay. I'm not gonna lie, we did already make 1 stop at the Snack Shack. It tastes like Chick-fil-A, but this one has a taco bar and some barbecue. Now it is lunchtime, so it's super busy right now, but we managed to grab ourselves a table. We're gonna enjoy some food and then get back out to exploring because there's still a few more spots we want to show you guys. And of course, the actual best part, the free ice creams that are melting.
Yeah.
And before we show you our very last stop, we also wanted to mention that CocoCay has free lockers for guests to use, first aid site in case of any accidents, life jackets, towels, outdoor showers, and restrooms throughout the entire island. The very last stop on our tour today of free things to do here at CocoCay is the Oasis Lagoon. They have a swim-up bar, they have music going, and it's very crowded. But this is a great spot to come if the beach really just isn't your thing. They've got tons of lounge chairs and lots of places to hang out, and as for us, we're gonna spend the rest of our time kind of just hanging out at the beach. As always, we appreciate you guys watching. Make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you guys in Country 33. Bye!
Are you ready?
Yeah, it's just so early.
We had to do 1 more stop before the ship.
How's it going?
Going good.
He's grabbing a frisbee. Yeah!
Oh.